Hi guys, this is Michelle at My Everyday Wife Life. This is Saturday check-in. How did your week go? Let me know in the comments below.
Come closer, dance for me. Easy tiger, easy, let your hair down.
So this is a takedown Christmas clean with me video, but you're seeing me clean the rest of the house because I just needed to get the rest of the house clean before I started taking down the Christmas tree, which is pretty much all I'm going to do in this video because I didn't put out a whole lot of Christmas, just a few other odds and ends, and yeah. Okay guys, so I had grandiose idea of starting a new routine this week, and yeah, that didn't happen. I was gonna do yoga and work on my morning routine and eat healthy, and yeah, that was just too much to do in 1 week. So I did yoga twice this week, and I sort of kind of did a morning routine. Yeah, not really. The bottom kind of fell out on Wednesday a little bit because, I don't know, life just happens. So life happens, but I did manage to get a few things done this week, like I had cleaned out the refrigerator you saw, and a few other things. But I need to get this Christmas stuff down, but first, I just got to clean up a little bit and have something healthy to eat. So I need to dial it back a little bit and realize it's probably going to take the rest of the month to get back into some kind of morning routine. And, sometimes you can't do all the things. Like I didn't put this silverware away the way I really wanted to, but that's good enough for now. And I just kind of threw the Tupperware in this drawer, and I will fix it neater later. It's good enough for now. Okay guys, so I worked for about an hour, so I'm going to take a little break and eat my lunch and watch a little TV, and then get busy on putting away the Christmas stuff. Okay, I kind of got sucked in, took a little longer break than I intended to, so now it's time to get busy because I do have a chiropractor appointment at 4:15, so I'm probably not going to be able to do everything that I wanted to, but, that's okay.
Dance for me.
I didn't get anything done in my craft room this week. I am doing a clean craft room challenge if you're interested in that. I just wanted to concentrate on putting away this Christmas stuff, and yeah, so let's get busy putting the tree away.
Come closer so that we can be.
So guys, I don't really have too many breakable ornaments on my tree. So I am actually going to put all of the ornaments into the box with the Christmas tree, and that just makes it easier when I take it out next year. Again, they're not really that breakable. I just put them in Ziploc bags and separate them. I have like snowflakes in one bag, bells in another bag. I have a lot of sleigh ornaments, those are in another bag, and some keepsake ornaments in another bag, and so on. And I just stuff them in the box with the tree, and they stay fine there. They're holding up just fine.
Fragrance goes to my head, my darling. I get everything that has been, don't matter no more. Whirlwinds can't touch us no more. We've earned it. We've earned it.
So the girls, Abby and Michaela, came over and helped me put the tree up this year. It's been a tradition for the last, I think, 3 years. And we made these cute little heart ornaments that I cut up a sweater that I had gotten from the Goodwill, and we sewed it to make ornaments for the tree. And we also made a whole bunch of pom-poms, and they really enjoyed doing that. And I really enjoyed having them come over and help me put up the tree. So doesn't this always happen to you? After I finished taping up that whole box, I found some more ornaments. Oh well, I found somewhere to put them.
Come closer, dance for me.
Okay, so after I vacuumed all this up, I decided to move this trunk that was beside the couch over to the corner, and that made another mess, so I need to clean under that. And I need to make room for the new couch that we're getting, but it's going to take 8 to 12 weeks to come in, so I am anticipating that because this couch has seen better days. Okay, so I didn't get the whole entire family room cleaned like I wanted to because I got sucked in and did not leave myself enough time to clean the whole entire family room, but good enough. And I have got to go get in the shower so I can make my appointment. So that will be done later, and I'm actually leaving up my tablescape because it kind of is fine for the winter, I think. And I never even showed anyone the front porch because it never really got finished. The ladders are still out there. The bins are still out there. So I'll be taking that down sometime soon. So I'm going to be working on some kind of routine for the rest of this month instead of trying to cram it all into a week. And I do want to start a new cleaning routine. We'll see if that happens. I just need to dial it back a little bit and realize I can't get it all done all at one time. Bye guys. Enjoy your day.